So did you guys say hi to all the YouTube viewers at home?
No.
Well, you need to. There's
you
a camera right here. Introduce yourselves. Tell them what you're doing.
Don't be shy, guys.
They're waiting.
You got my string.
Oh, I did?
Yeah. Remember, you gotta look back. Unhook it.
Hi.
Hi what? Hi, my name is Jonathan. And what are we doing today, Jonathan?
Fishing.
What are we trying to catch?
Crappie.
Or anything.
Or catfish.
That's right. Or bass. You guys
Introduce
like
yourself,
bass,
baby.
Yeah.
And what are we using? Minnows?
Hi.
Hi, what is your name? Hi.
Come on, dude.
JD, but my real name is Jesus.
Oh. JD, real name Jesus. What are you hoping to catch today?
A crappie.
Just one?
Nah, man, come on. Lots of crappies,
A
bro.
lot.
Good morning, folks. It's Mark. This is Catfish and Crappie once again. Today we're chasing crappie. We're meeting up with Damian and his two sons. We'll see what we can do. Out on a small little community lake, electric only, and we're gonna give it a heck. We'll see what happens.
The middle side.
There we go. Yep, big one.
Is that your bobber that popped?
Yeah, it came off the line, but I still got the fish.
Seems pretty decent, dude.
Catfish, maybe?
It might be a catfish. Is this one recording?
You got the net? Yeah, that one's recording. Yeah, why don't you turn it towards the... A little more than that. There we go. Like that. Let's see what we got here.
It looks like something big.
Oh.
Ooh, nice little channel cat.
Take up the drag. There you go.
You need the net?
I got
you
it.
have it.
Alright, this is fun. Oh, you might want to watch the line so it doesn't get all tangled up.
Putting up a nice fight, man.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, I got the drag turned down kind of loose. Put this light line on here.
This thing got loose and twisted.
There we go. All right. Well, there's catfish. Now we just need some crappie.
You got it?
Yeah. That's always fun. Let's see if I can do this without sticking myself.
Yeah.
Fun at a 4-pound test. There we go. Look at that. Let's hope it doesn't crap on me some more. Little channel cat. To start. What do you think? What do you think, guys?
Good.
He's saying goodbye. He's like, leave me alone. All right, let's get off. Wow, I've never seen him poop so much.
Boys,
You got one?
why don't you come up here?
I'm gonna be on a catfish today.
When I make it
Don't put the rod down. Don't give it any slack. And keep it away from the trolling motor, okay? Actually, you might want to shut it off, brother.
It's off. I'll just keep an eye on where we're drifting to. You want a catfish?
I think so. Oh yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's bigger than the one I got.
Nice, dude. Oh yeah.
Now you get to have him poop on you. Is that your first one of the day?
Yeah.
Man, that's good. That's about 7 pounds. 6, 7 pounds, right?
Yeah.
Remember that in the water?
Sure.
Yeah.
Unless you're going to eat them. All right.
Nice job, dude.
What are you going to do now that your brother beat you? Nothing. You're not going to catch one?
Oh, yeah, I'm catching.
No, it's your turn. So, who do you guys like to watch on YouTube? And you don't have to say me.
You.
Not me. Who else?
Anything, I just watch random videos.
Yeah, you don't watch John B? Or the Googans? Oh, okay. How about?
I watch a lot of fishing videos.
Yeah, you watch Dieter Milhorn? He's a good one.
I don't know what the name.
Fishy.
Or you just put fishing in the search bar and let her rip.
Yes.
That's kind of what I think. Catfish Dave, you like him? He catches big ones with kayak catfishing, river certified. Those are all good ones. I recommend those.
Oh, he's right in front of the trolling one.
Shut it up.
Hold the rod up high.
JD with his first fish.
I don't know. I think he's got Jonathon beat. Look at that rod action. No, don't give it slack, dude. You're gonna lose it. Remember, always keep tension on it.
Can I bump that trolling motor real quick?
Yeah. Holy.
I didn't see it. I'm busy trying to keep out of his way.
Oh, that's a nice one, dude. That's a nice one. Look at that. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Try to film and fish at the same time. Oh, holy smokes! Look at that. Fantastic.
Nicely done, dude.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at you guys. Like, go.
Yeah. Oh, it's up to you. You want to eat it?
No, I don't like it.
Second catfish, same bait.
There we go. Number 2. You proud? You proud, Dad?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.